young general manager there in Sue as well, and Kyle Dubas, and he's somebody that's kind of embraced the new stats and new possession metrics in hockey. And you're somebody that's a good skater and somebody that possesses the puck well. Is there ever a conversation with him just about advancing the puck possession, generating shots?
Yeah, I don't know. I think Kyle's always kind of been a good mentor for me. I've known him for a couple of years, even before he was the GM of the Hounds. But no, I got nothing but good things to say about him. He's a great guy, and I think he's doing a great job there at the Hounds. So he was big and influential in my career, and he helped me out a lot.
A lot of former Sioux Greyhounds in this locker room too. When you look at Muzzin and when you look at Jordan Nolan as well. Yeah, exactly. He played there as well. Anything? Do you ever train with them over the summer? Do you ever see them in any alumni events?
Yeah, I know Muzz and Knowles pretty well, but no, yeah, I see them. They were up in the Sioux, I think, for a couple weeks there before they came here. So it's nice. No, it's definitely nice kind of coming into camp and knowing a couple guys and not being that much of an outsider, kind of knowing a couple people. But yeah, they're good.
In terms of being able to make that leap into professional hockey this year and heading to Manchester, very good chance of that. What are you thinking about? What have they been trying to impart to you, and what's that process?
I think just more of the same. I think overall I was pretty happy with my game last year, and it was a good season. But just expanding my game, and every time I'm out there getting better and trying to just get better on the little things.